Hi, everybody. Quint Lears at the International Builder Show with Doris Pearlman. Possibilities for design. I'm starting to see a trend here. What's the trend?
As far as interior design and model home
No,
merchandising,
I'm talking about gold year after year after year.
that's nice. I mean, yes, we've been here for a while, and we're always thrilled because, as I said when I accepted, it never gets old, and that's really the truth. It does not get old. These awards energize the staff, energize the home building community, and most importantly, they energize the president. So
Well, and there's some truth there because if you're dealing in new homes, it never gets old because it's always new. The style and design, the energy efficiency, the technology.
yes, that's right. Design, you find very few people who burn out in design because it's always a new and creative process. So again, people come back year after year, and home building itself is always creative, and you find that people in our industry stay in our industry.
I see that a lot. Now, tell me about the award you won today.
So this was the first design award as far as the category goes, and it's for models between $200,000 and $300,000, and they are a challenge.
Is it merchant? Tell me specifically what you do.
We are interior designers and interior merchandisers, and we design homes from the stud wall out, really. So we design in general, unless they have packages. We design the built-ins, some of the millwork, all of the interiors. We pick the surfaces, and we basically create from the stud wall. We create the environment. We create the lifestyle and the home itself.
Okay. Lightning round. Tell me this. How much is it your input, and how much is it like you listen and say, what do you want, and then create that versus like, look, Doris, we don't know what to do. You're the expert. You take over. Is it 50-50? Do you more take control of the situation?
It's both. Actually, it is both. I mean, we need to, because we work all over the country, we need to understand the market. The sales and marketing team provides valuable input. It is not only our eyes, it's the eyes of everybody around that table that knows the home, knows the ins and outs, the nooks and crannies, and so we can maximize the positive, and if there are negatives, we can minimize those.
Lightning round number 2. Do you start micro to macro? Do you start big picture? Do you start with, okay, here are the studs?
That's a good question.
Or do you start like, okay, here's the big master plan? Or do you say like this tile and then make it work?
So we are not involved in the master plan itself. So we start in a home micro to macro. Good question. And so basically we look at the floor plan first. We can, again, slice and dice the floor plan. We can find any of the shortfalls in the floor plan. The builder can hopefully correct those. And if they can't, then we can compensate for that with the interior design.
Now, we have some mutual friends, okay, but a lot of people don't realize it's neat to get an award and it feels really good, but I don't think people realize the impact that you can have on a community and in the overall sales. So we were talking about the Rossins, a community in Las Cruces, New Mexico called Sonoma Ranch, and they brought in national consultants like yourself. You took home gold, silver. Tell me about that.
So the Rossins are amazing, actually. The Rossins are amazing. I met Yvonne in Phoenix probably 20 years ago, and it was the first IRM class that I had ever taught, and Yvonne was a student of mine. And to be really honest, I did not know where Las Cruces, New Mexico was, and I was amazed that a person from a town that was as small as Las Cruces would create homes that were designed at that moment in time by certainly a world-class architect, Barry Burkus, and then hired national design firms, which was also like beyond the pale as far as Las Cruces goes. And so again, today I count the Rossins as really good friends.
And additionally, what a lot of people don't realize is that they would do the award, and then they would leverage that with the media and say, you go to their golf course, and it was his best design studio, best this, best award, nationally recognized, the most award-winning community, and all of a sudden, and then they would go up and put the city for national awards. We won in 2006 the best place to retire. So anyway, you're making a big impact. Any last shout-outs?
Well, I think I should probably shout out to the people who this award was for, and that was Lennar Homes, formerly Cal Atlantic, and my guys, and they are from Indianapolis, Craig Jensen and Randy Mickle, and then all my friends in the industry. And I am honored to say that I have quite a few friends in the industry, and they've made my life every day a little better.
Now, I'm just curious. A lot of people come, they've invested a lot to come here. Everybody's dressed to the nines. You have a beautiful outfit on. Tell me about the outfit.
It is a running suit. Only I had to leave the shoes home, and it's just a little sparkly for
It looks like an expensive running suit.
Just a little sparkly for the day.
Hey, next time, wear gold because you'll match better because you're going to win.
I don't know.
Listen, Doris Pearlman, the legend, thanks so much for joining us here at the Nationals.
Visit thenationals.com.